Kami po nakasama ng high school.
Ano? Kayang tatlo?
Magkakabal po kami ng habang.
Sabi niya kanina, parang kilala kayo ka ni Connie, kita Connie, kasi dahil nakatingin sa'yo, sabi niya. Ay, Connie kasi niya, di ba maliliit pa kayo?
Uuwin pa
Sipunin pa lang.
Oh, sila 153. 153 siya na next.
honor and strengthen us through this difficult time. We gather today to celebrate a life full of love, kindness, and memories that will forever remain in our hearts. While our hearts are heavy, we are here to honor the lives of Mom and Bob and Spindler. We invite you to share this time of reflection and remembrance. Thank you once again from the bottom of our hearts.
Ako po ay, ang bahagi ko po ay magkaloob po ng tribute para po sa 3 tao na naging napakahalaga sa buhay nila, si Mama Aida. Bagaman po sila ay wala dito ngayon, pero nais po nilang ipahayag ang kanilang natatanging tribute sa Mama Aida sapagkat naging napakabuti po niya sa mga taong ito. Una ko pong babasahin ay ang tribute na ginawa po ni Maria. Ang pamagat po ay My Tribute of Love and Gratitude. This is surely very late. My heart is sincerely in deep sorrow to not being able to tell my Auntie Aida and Uncle Abel about this. Where on earth has my mind been all this time? Even so, one day, when the great trumpet sounds, the Bible promises Maria Josefa Aurora Bautista after some time. The two could make the house chaotic. They were 2 kids, you know. But the Rivadulla family brought little Maria to church every week. And at 7 a.m., little Maria, all dolled up, would be knocking at their door every Sabbath morning. The whole family was still super busy preparing breakfast and getting dressed for the grand rest day of the Lord. And there, Maria would be running around the house, playing ear-piercing noise at the piano. For Maria didn't know so many things. And their kindness for a little lost soul, pure family love. For many years, Rivadulla family took in Maria and Joey. The 2 girls had to grow, of course, and time changed, and the 2 naughty girls grew. Maria and Joey's family had to move to another place. The 2 girls grew, but they never forgot the Rivadulla family. How could they? The love they found in the Rivadulla home taught them faith and kindness, and how warm food at family dinners can also warm little hearts, little souls, and Rivadulla family taught that love can heal. Rivadulla family taught that true love stays in the heart forever. Rivadulla family taught that when love is real, it is beautiful. Thank you, Auntie Ives. Thank you po, Uncle Abel. Life has been so much of a challenge, but your love reeled me in. It was the sting of love that made little Maria Sky able to soar all this time. Ito po ang patotoo ni Maria. Maria, kung saan ka man naroroon, ay narito. Magpakita kung paano ang pagmamahal sa iyo ng Rivadulla family. At ito ay hindi mo malilimutan. Ang full name po ni Maria ay Maria Jane Bautista. Ngayon po naman, ang babasahin po ay from Sister Shirley Fidacan. Good afternoon. I am sending a message, hopefully to be read during your mom's service. Greetings and prayers from me, Shirley Fidacan, the only surviving worker during my time before I resigned from the Philippine Publishing House. Periodical department where we worked together for many years. We have survived the ups and downs of our department with our former periodical staff, Gloria Orbe, as our former periodical department, and I was the youngest of the group, so I considered all of them my older sisters. And Ate Aida was just so good to me, treated me like a younger sister, have watched her care for her children as they grow, and we had awesome memories together in church, at work, and in all our family gatherings and activities. She was a patient, loving, caring, and jolly person, and I will miss her. But I will always cherish our precious moments together with her and her family. May we all